What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and today I wanted to use my Soft Glam palette. I haven't touched this in a long time and I feel like this palette is such a great palette for fall. Not a lot of people use it anymore, so I thought why not just throw a eyeshadow look out there for you guys. If you have it, you guys can pull it out and play with it. I do want to do other series using older palettes that no one talks about anymore. If you guys want me to do that, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about that. I would love to hear you guys' feedback. Alright, enough chit-chatting. Let's get to this tutorial. Okay, so my eyes are primed with the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 2. Of course, you know that's my favorite eyeshadow base of all time. So for this look, I did use my Soft Glam Palette by Anastasia. So the first shade I'm going to start off with is Mulberry. I'm taking that on a Morphe M433 brush, packing that color on the side of the brush just like this, and just pack it over my lid. This is a very simple eye tutorial, so I feel like you guys will be able to recreate this so easily. Next shade I'm going to take is Sienna. And I'm going to be taking that on the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush. And what I'm going to do is place it along the edges of Mulberry and blend it out. This is where I like placing down darker colors first and then blending it out with some other shades. I feel like it just blends out so beautifully, in my opinion. Going back in with Mulberry. Next shade I'm going to take is Burnt Orange. Taking that on a Morphe 330. This is the shade we're going to use to blend out Sienna. I love doing this gradient effect. It just makes everything so beautiful. Of course, if you want to go back and darken up stuff, you can. So I am going to take Sienna again and darken up my crease. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Mulberry again. And this is going to go directly under our lower lash line. I don't know if I mentioned, but I am taking this on a JH39 brush. Going back in with Sienna on a M562 brush, blending out Mulberry. The same brush that I took Burnt Orange, which is the M330, I'm going to go ahead and blend out some more in my lower lash line. Now for my upper and lower waterline, I'm going to take the Makeup by Mario Master Pigment Pro pencil, and this is in the shade The Perfect Brown, and line my waterline. I didn't want to use a black because I didn't want it to be too harsh. For my inner corner highlight, I am going to be taking the shade Bronze. Now I'll be taking that shade on a Morphe x Jaclyn Hill BH42 brush. And if you are getting fallout like I am, I'm just grabbing my tapered brush and just sweeping off the fallout. Make sure not to rub, because then you can just really ruin your foundation, that dark shade that you used. Next up, I am going to be curling my eyelashes. Now I'm going to be taking the Falsies Push Up Angel. And I will be applying mascara on both the top and bottom lashes. Alright, next up I'm going to be applying my Baddie B Lashes in Anastasia Saucy, and I'll be right back with a completed look. Okay, so this is how they'll look with some lashes on. I swear, these are like literally my favorite lashes of all time. I can't stop using them. I'm sorry if I am very repetitive, but I can't get enough of these lashes. Alright guys, and this is how everything looks together. And if you guys are curious what I'm wearing on my face, I will leave everything in the description box below so you guys can check that out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this simple tutorial. Like I said in my tutorial, I was looking at my palettes and I saw some that I haven't touched in a long time, especially my Soft Glam, and this is the perfect palette for fall, I feel like, because it has all these beautiful warm tones and these dark burgundies, and I wanted to do a tutorial with this because I haven't used it in a long time, and I said why not just use it since this is the perfect time to do it. A lot of people use this palette or talk about it anymore, so I thought I'd throw a tutorial out there. If you guys have this, you can use it so you guys don't have to shell out more money on a new palettes you're releasing. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like this video, comment below. Also make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another video of mine. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.